What was the freakiest thing you've done that was out of character even for you? After a night drinking with the boys, I was feeling a bit frisky. I decided to beat it. I also wanted to spice it up. I put on the best show and started looking for some substance. Normally, I go with lotion, but since I wanted to try something different, I used Tiger Balm. I drizzled some of the ointment on my hand and went to town. At first, it didn't feel like much, but after 2 minutes things got worse. My shaft started to heat up like crazy. I tried to cool it down with some water and ice, but it wouldn't work. I called my buddy and asked him to take me to the emergency room. When we got there, apparently, my shaft was in life-threatening condition. Apparently, the nerves were about to be burnt off. The nurse rushed to put some steroid cream on it to cool it down. So, I was just laying there waiting for the cream to cool it down. There was like 2 doctors and 5 nurses looking at my goods. My buddy was just in the back laughing at me. My parents showed up. My dad was laughing at me and asked me if I need help scoring a female. A couple days later, my shaft